steaming hot, another what I always call a nice midweek easy pasta. Today we've got ham. I'm actually using mortadella, not ham, broccoli, tomatoes. We're gonna bang this out in no time. Okay, so we've got tagliatelle. That's the pasta I'm using. Use any pasta you want. We're gonna make a nice sauce today. Tomatoes, ham. I'm actually using mortadella and broccoli. Really, really quick and easy. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So I've got about the same volume, as you can see, as canned or tinned tomatoes, broccoli and pasta. Now the pasta I'm using, there's about 3 cups there. I'm using some tagliatelle. Use any pasta you want, get it cooked, because we're really going to concentrate on the sauce here. That's 1 head of broccoli. Cut that into nice little kind of florets, I think is the word. 1 can of tomatoes. When I say 1 can, I mean a regular kind of size can, you know, 400 ml. That was a whole plum. I've just crushed it roughly with my hand. We've got a tablespoon of garlic, 2 teaspoons of dried oregano, tablespoon or 2 tablespoons maybe of some Parmesan cheese. We're going to add that in a bit later. A few olives. I think there's about 6 there. I've just taken the stones out. 1 cup of onion and 1 cup of what I'm using today, mortadella, but you can use ham or something like that. Let's get to the cooker. We're going to start this off with some olive oil. We're going to add some salt and pepper. It's simple and it's delicious. So you're going to need a wok or a skillet, frying pan or something like that. I've got 3 tablespoons of olive oil in there. You could use a different oil if you want, of course. I've just put the heat on. It's above medium. In goes 1 cup of onions that I've sliced. 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic. And I'm going to drop my olives in now. Get them going. Look, while we're here, salt and black pepper. 3 minutes, keep it moving. We're well on our way already. Fabulous. Let's get our broccoli in there. And just for 2 minutes, throw it around in this fairly lively heat. Get some of that garlic and onion flavor happening on that. So just a couple of minutes there. We're now going to go in with our ham. Like I say, I'm using a mortadella today, but you can use a ham if you want. A couple of teaspoons of the dried oregano. Now, I'm using oregano, but if you want, you could use basil or one of those Italian herb mix things, you know. Just another 2 minutes. Keep it moving. Very simply, we're going to add 1 can of tomatoes. Like I said, they were a plum whole tomato that I just crushed very roughly with my hand. We're going to turn the heat down to below medium. We're going to let this go for 5 minutes. We're going to give it a stir every now and then. Wah, 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 wee, wah. That's beautiful. We still retained a little crunch on the broccoli. I like it like that. Off goes the heat. Little bit of Parmesan cheese in the mix. And off we go. So like I say, you can use any pasta. Today I'm using tagliatelle. When you buy a packet of pasta, it's usually 500 grams in weight. So I took half of that. So that's 250 grams of the pasta cooked. So it weighed more, much more now. Obviously it's been cooked. Now I'm opting to go with the pasta sauce on top today. But if you want, you could get the pasta, get it into the pan and cook it in there just for like 2 or 3 minutes. Up to you. And that looks wonderful. A little bit of Parmesan on the top. If you want, think about getting a few little chili flakes in there while you were cooking if you want a bit of spice. But for me, that is really lovely. I'm super, super happy. Nice, quick, easy. Midweek, I call them, midweek pasta dishes. Fantastic. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love.